ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6 a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science sets has been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.
Our cherished and distinguished alumni and ever-supportive stakeholders of our great university, the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, thank you very much for the privilege and the honor to come your way briefly with a few thoughts on the KNUST Day of Giving. This is a special day to honor, appreciate, and celebrate the hen that laid the golden eggs after 70 years of existence and global impact. On Friday, the 6th of October 2023, we shall all show our appreciation to KNUST by making financial donations to the university towards a noble cause in an innovative online fundraising initiative that is dubbed the KNUST Day of Giving. Our target is to raise 200 million Ghana cedis to build a 2,000-bed.
Wow, a wonderful welcome. Good afternoon, ladies. Oh, I think it's 3. So good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You are welcome to the 3rd contest of the 5th edition of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz, the 5th day of the ACCRA contest. So we are still bringing together young minds to test their brains and see the winner. So today, as we bring together some of the brightest students to test their knowledge, challenge their intellect, and explore the wonders of science and maths, this competition is not just about answering questions, it's about inspiring curiosity, encouraging problem solving, and nurturing skills that will shape the future of science. Science helps us to understand the world around us. Let us cheer on these young innovators as they show brilliance, teamwork, determination in this exciting journey of learning. Please have a great evening of fun. Remember, this quiz is organized by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology in collaboration with Ghana Education Service, Dex Technologies, and Eridec. Let us cheer our contestants on as they take one step closer to the quiz glory. Best of luck to all our participants. Let's the contests begin. So, as I informed you earlier, this quiz is brought to you by Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology in collaboration with Ghana Education Service, supported by Desk Technologies and Eridec. So this afternoon, we want to say a very big thank you to our Vice Chancellor, Professor Mrs. Rita Kosua-Dixon, for her continuous support. We also want to show big appreciation to the chairman of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz Board, Professor Kwesi Preku, and all the board members. You have done a yeoman's job. I also want to salute all the heads of the various schools that are competing this year. It is not easy, but you have trained your students for this task. To our dedicated teachers who have spent time in preparing the students and also coaching them for the contest, we want to say a big thank you. And to the students who are competing this afternoon, a very, very big thank you to you. And already, congratulations to all of you. You are winners, because taking this bold step is enough. And this afternoon, this contest would not have been a success if we did not receive support from various people and groups. Therefore, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to all our sponsors for their invaluable support in making this quiz competition possible. Their generous contributions have not only helped bring this event to life, but also created a platform for young minds to shine and showcase their talent. To our sponsors, thank you for believing in the power of education and for investing in the next generation of thinkers and problem solvers. Without your support, this event would not have been a success that it is today. We appreciate your commitment and partnership in making this quiz competition an inspiring and an enriching experience for all. At this point, I would like to mention all the sponsors. KNUST E-Learning Center. They are responsible for all our media and video coverages. We are so grateful to you. At KNUST E-Learning, we say, just a click. To the KNUST Institute of Distance Learning. My dear students, the venue you are seated in is the Kwabenya Learning Center of the IDL. They have provided venues for us to do our contest as we go around the nation. And we want to say thank you. We are truly grateful. At KNUST IDL, we say lifelong learning, an essential key for development. Dex Technologies, thank you for making practical science practical. You provide all the necessary tools we need for the Tech Challenge round, and this has been so successful so far in the competition. To Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, thank you for all the juicy prizes you are offering to our contestants who are competing in this year's competition. To GNPC, we want to say thank you for impacting life and thank you for coming on board. SteadyX, grateful for coming on board this year. To Pizza Man, Chicken Man, we look forward for your wonderful meal packages. At Pizza Man, we say good food lives here. To Fonjo Images, we want to say thank you for keeping good memories alive through your photography and all the other stuff you do for the Junior Science and Maths Quiz. And to our wonderful media partner, Husband TV. You are telecasting this program live for us. And this implies that you are amplifying our reach and our impact. I sit here in KNUST. We are interacting with students in Kwabenya. You are allowing the whole world to see what we are doing. Thank you for your wonderful contribution. At Kesben TV, we say, Obiabe Didi, which means everyone will have its share. Dear contestants and dear viewers, dear participants, dear audience, remember that the Junior Science and Maths Quiz program is tailor-made for learners in the junior high school to enable them exhibit their understanding of the basic principle underlying the life sciences and the physical sciences. It is expected to promote teamwork, critical thinking, right from the early stages in the academic life. So this is what we are presenting to you this afternoon. So this afternoon, I would love to know the contestants from the various schools. So I will start with you, Crown Prince Academy, represented by
Isaac Lai, Basic 9.
David Charles DeGraft, Basic 9.
A round of applause for Crown Prince, please. KAF International School. May I know the representatives?
Raina Makafi Abanyo, grade 9.
And?
Zelda Quiz, grade 8.
A round of applause for KAF International School. Can we hear from Star Holy Kingdom Academy, represented by
Sarah Denzel, Basic 8.
And
Okujato Kelvin, Basic 8.
A round of applause. This afternoon, I am Dr. Mesasia Santwa Osei, a senior lecturer at the Department of Pharmaceutics of the Faculty of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences of the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. And if you care to know, Faculty of Pharmacy in KNUST is the premier pharmacy school. So very soon I will be expecting some of my contestants at the Faculty of Pharmacy. So this afternoon, a round of applause for the quiz mistress, please. So this afternoon, we are going to work a lot with our buzzers. And buzzers will determine how bonuses will be answered and how riddles will be answered, how fastest finger will be answered. So we'd like to hear the buzzers of the various schools. So we start with Star Holy Kingdom Academy. Your buzzer, please. Thank you. KAF International School. Thank you. Crown Prince Academy. Your buzzer, please. Thank you. Please, these are the basic instructions concerning your buzzers. Please, for your main question, you don't need to tap the buzzer. If a school is answering this main question, the two other schools should please wait for them to exhaust their attempts or until the time is up before you press your buzzer. Please, if you want to speak, gently lower the microphone to your level and speak into it. Don't cover the tip of the microphone, otherwise we'll not hear what you have to say. My dear contestants, you have come this far. Be confident in answering questions. When you know the answer, just answer. Because 15 seconds is not too much time, just as you think. Answer, even if you are wrong, you have a second attempt. So don't be afraid. And when you are answering, please project your answers with a loud voice so that we can all hear you. Thank you very much. So with this, we move to round 1, which is fundamentals. Round 1 consists of biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT questions. If a school answers a question correctly, 3 points is awarded. If it's incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the 2 other schools to compete for. The score for a bonus will be 1 point. Schools, you all have 15 seconds to answer questions that don't require calculations and 40 seconds to answer questions that require calculations. You have a maximum of 2 attempts at your main question and 1 at a bonus. Bonuses are open for the 2 other schools to compete for by ringing the buzzer. Failing to press the buzzer before answering any bonus question nullifies your answer. No points will be awarded to you, even if you are correct. So contestants, please take notice. It's very important. At this point, I wish all the schools that are competing this afternoon the best of luck. Question 1, Crown Prince Academy. What is the purpose of a database query?
A database query helps in database management.
Please come again.
A database query helps in database management.
No, please. Star Holy Academy for a bonus.
So, database query has to check up all the data collection.
No, please. So database query helps to retrieve specific data from the database. KAF International School. The type of software used to compress and decompress files is called Crown Prince International for a bonus.
Zip file.
No, please. It is a compression software. Star Holy Academy. Your main question. The practice of monitoring and analyzing computer network traffic to detect and respond to security threats is known as
vulnerability management.
No, please.
System checkup.
No, please. KAF International School for a bonus.
Firewall software.
Reina, no for an answer. It is network security monitoring. This is a preamble to all the schools. Group the following into either transparent, translucent, or opaque materials. KAF International School, wax paper.
Opaque. Opaque.
No.
Translucent.
So it is one attempt for this question. So no bonus will be passed on because there are only 3 options. So we move to the next. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, cellophane.
Transparent.
Transparent for 3 points. Crown Prince Academy, blue block lens.
Translucent.
Opaque it is for 0 points. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, your main question. What is the primary function of vitamin B1, thiamine, in the body?
So vitamin B1 strengthens tissues.
No, please. Okay, vitamin B1, thiamine plays a critical role in energy metabolism by helping convert carbohydrates to energy. Crown Prince, your main question. What is the role of iron in the body?
Helps blood cells transport oxygen in the body.
Rephrase. You are there, so I'll give you 2 out of 3. I'll give them 2 out of 3. KAF International School. What is the function of dietary fiber in the body?
It helps to digest the food easily.
Please, Reina, speak loudly. I want to hear you.
Helps digest the food
Holy, hold on. Let me listen to Reina. Reina, please repeat your answer.
easily. It helps to digest the food easily.
I'll give you 1 point out of 3. What is the value of the following resistors using the color code? Crown Prince Academy, a resistor with the color bands brown, black, red, and gold has a resistance of dash ohms with a tolerance of dash.
Ohms.
No.
3 ohms.
No. So, KAF International School, your main question. The color code for a 100 ohm resistor is dash, dash, dash with a tolerance of dash. Holy Academy for a bonus.
The colors are brown and red, and the tolerance is plus or minus 2.
No, please. Holy Kingdom, your main question. The color code for a 56 ohm resistor is dash, dash, dash with a tolerance of dash.
So the colors are green, blue, and gold.
Tolerance.
With a tolerance of plus or minus 5.
No.
The colors are green and blue with a tolerance of plus or minus 5.
No. Okay, so the first answer, resistor with the color bands brown, black, red, and gold has a resistance of 1000 ohms and the tolerance is plus or minus 5. Then the color code for the 100 ohm resistor is brown, black, brown. Resistance, the tolerance is about plus or minus 1%. Then the color code for 56 ohm is green, blue, brown, plus or minus 1%. So there's a preamble to all the schools. For 40 seconds, you are supposed to do these calculations. Crown Prince Academy. In a 2-digit number, the digits in the units place is 2 more than the 3 times the digits in the tens place. If the sum of the 2 digits is 6, the number is
1.
No, Charles, come again.
$24.
No. Star Holy Academy for a bonus.
6 and 8.
No, please. KAF International School.
3.
No, please. In a 2-digit number, KAF International School, your main question. The digit in the units place is 3 less than twice the digit in the tens place. If the sum of the 2 digits is 9, what is the number?
Three. 63.
No, please.
54.
No, please. Star Holy Academy for a bonus. I can't hear you.
The number is 6.
No, please. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, your main question. The digit in the units place of a 2-digit number is 1 less than twice the digit in the tens place. If the sum of the 2 digits is 7, what is the number?
The number is 52.
No, please. Sorry. Come again.
$72.
No, please. Crown Praise Academy for a bonus.
The number is 4.
No.
43.
No. So, the first answer is 1 and 5 because I even said that the sum of the 2 digits is 6. So, 1 and 5, so 15. The second was 45. There, one person said 54. You interchanged it. The last one is 34. The following questions are statements. You are to state whether they are true or false. These questions cannot be passed on as bonuses. Star Holy Kingdom Academy. Human activities. Human activities such as deforestation increases the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. True or false?
True.
True it is for 3 points. Crown Prince Academy. The process of photosynthesis releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. True or false?
False.
False it is for 3 points. KAF International School. The burning of fossil fuel decreases the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. True or false?
False.
False it is for 3 points. Crown Prince Academy. A set can contain only numbers. True or false?
False.
False it is for 3 points. KAF International School. The empty set is a set that contains no elements. True or false? True it is for Zelda. 3 points. Star Holy Kingdom Academy. The number of subsets in a set with 3 elements is 7. True or false? Calvin, false. Please speak into the microphone. False, it is for 3 points. Technicians, can you kindly check the microphones of Star Holy Kingdom Academy for us? With Star Holy Kingdom answering false, we come to the end of round 1 of this contest. And we will wait patiently on our score masters to bring out the scores. As we wait patiently, we still want to acknowledge our sponsors for this contest. The KNUST E-Learning Center, the KNUST IDL. To Dex Technologies, we want to say thank you. We also want to show our appreciation to our media partner, Kesben TV, to Multi Credit, to Pizza Man Chicken Man, to SteadyX, to GNPZ, to Fonjo Images. We appreciate you all. Thank you. So, my dear contestants and my charitable audience, I bring to you the scores of the first round. At the end of round 1, in no particular order, KAF International School has 7 points, Star Holy Academy 9 points, Crown Prince Academy 8 points. This was really a close contest. So we now move to round 2 of our contest. Fastest finger round. 1 question will be read out to all the contestants, and the schools will have to compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. When a contestant is ready to respond, kindly press your buzzer before you attempt to answer. Answering the question before pressing the buzzer will disqualify your school from answering that particular question. After you press the buzzer, every contestant has just 3 seconds to answer the question. If a school gets the question wrong, the 2 remaining schools get to compete to answer. Please remember, as you already know, in this round, a wrong answer will attract a penalty of 1 point. So I will say, think carefully before you press your buzzer. Best wishes to all the schools. Question 1. Wow, welcome back. So we are now in round 2 of our contest, fastest finger. The first question. The process of verifying the identity of a user or a device is known as?
Internet protocol.
No, please. KAF International.
Identity recognition.
No, please. Star Holy Academy.
IP verification.
No, please. Authentication it is. What is the term for a plant that completes its life cycle in 2 growing seasons? Crown Prince.
Perennial.
No, please. KAF International School.
Biennial plant.
Biennial it is for 4 points. The next question. A square meter is a unit of?
Albert.
Yes, Star Holy Academy.
Area.
Area it is for 4 points. How many electrons are gained or lost by aluminium in a chemical reaction?
Aluminium loses 3 electrons.
You should have allowed me to complete the question. And what is the charge on the ion that it forms?
Aluminium loses 3 electrons in a chemical reaction, and the charge of the other element is -3.
No.
Aluminium loses 2 electrons and the charge on it is 2-.
No. So, if the first school, if you had allowed me to finish, aluminium they will lose 3 electrons. So the ion that will form, it will be +3. If you lose, you become positively charged, right? So please, let me read questions to the end. It's very important. Next question. State the law of rectilinear propagation of light. Star Holy Academy.
The law of rectilinear propagation of light states that light travels in a straight line.
Light travels in a straight line for 4 points. The scientific method between hypothesis and analysis is? Crown Prince.
Experimentation.
Experimentation it is for 4 points. Calculate the power consumed by a device with a current of 10 amperes and a voltage of 24 volts. Crown Prince.
240 watts.
240 watts it is. Please, once again, contestants, when you know the answer, project. This is a training ground. Be confident with your answers. A car travels 72 kilometers in an hour. Find its speed in meters per second. Star Holy Academy.
Its speed in meters per second is 2 meters per second.
No, please. International School.
72 meters per second.
No, please. 20 meters per second. So I am very certain that Star Holy Kingdom, you need to take your time when you have to answer questions, okay? So with 20 meters per second, we come to the end of round 2 of our contest. We will wait patiently for our score masters to update our scoreboard as we still acknowledge all our sponsors who have come on board today to make this contest a real success. We will still want to acknowledge the KNUST e-Learning Center, the KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, Desk Technologies. Round 3 is going to be handled by them. We also want to say thank you to Multi-Credit Savings and Loan for the juicy prizes, Ghana National Petroleum, SEDIX, Pizza Man Chicken Man, Fonjo Images, and to our media partner, Kesben TV. Thank you so much.
too. Hello. 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 Hello.
Wow, this is what I love about this contest. When you don't agree with something, you have a chance to protest. So, my dear audience online, those seated, to my contestants, there was a protest on the fastest finger question. That was the second question that I said, what is the term for a plant that completes its life cycle in 2 growing seasons? The answer was biennial. Crown Prince notified that their student answered the question first. Before I didn't hear well and I passed it on to KAF. So, I went back to review the video. And truly speaking, Crown Prince said something that had a nial. But the initial didn't really come well, but we heard both the by and another. So, to forestall peace and to make all of us happy, we have scraped that question. We are giving the last question for the round for all the 3 schools to compete for. So get ready for the action. Thank you very much. A round of applause to our teachers and our contestants. Okay, so this is the question. What is the phenomenon called when a wave changes direction as it passes through an opening or around an obstacle? Star Holding Academy.
The Doppler effect.
No, please. Diffraction it is for the answer. With this, we come to the end of round 2. So we'll take our scores. At the end of round 2, these are the scores. Crown Prince Academy, 6 points. KAF International, -3. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, 4 points. At the end of round 2, these are the total scores. Crown Prince Academy, 14. KAF International School, 4. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, 13. With this, we move to the 3rd round of the contest, which is our technology round. So with the technology round, 1 question will be given to all the schools. The question in this round will require contestants to perform a task that will be assessed. The score for the whole task will be 10 points. Contestants will have 10 good minutes to complete the task. My dear audience, my dear contestants, kindly remember that your tech challenge is being sponsored by Desk Science Set. So, we will take the substitutions for the round before we start round 3. So KAF International School, Rina is going off, Christiana is coming on board. A round of applause for the 2 contestants, please.
It's like this.
Okay, thank you. Now that Christina is seated, I guess I can go ahead with my question. So, all contestants, please kindly check If you have been provided with an LED labeled L, lift it up for me to see. LED labeled L. Okay. A switch. You have a switch. A light-dependent resistor, LDR. Please, do you have that? Good. A resistor R and 2 batteries. You have it, please. Thank you. So the task, you are to construct a simple electrical circuit as shown in the diagram below. I hope you have the diagram in front of you. Close the switch and write down your observation or observations. Cover the LDR with your finger and observe what happens. When done, replace the LDR with R. Close the switch and observe what happens. This is your related question. Write down your observation in tasks 2, 3, and 4. Based on your observation, what can you say about the components R and RDR? With this, the tech challenge round is duly opened. 10 minutes. dear contestants, you have 2 minutes more to complete your task. Wow, time up. You have done well. I have been observing all of you from this angle so closely. I can see that, no, let's write this, let's write that. It's okay. Teamwork is part of this contest. So it's all right. So I will just ask my gentlemen on ground to kindly take their sheets and kindly do the assessment and pass me their judgment from where they sit. Thank you very much.
What are the best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, DEX Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools. Our award-winning science set is designed to provide every material needed for science experiments while enabling a superior personalized learning experience for students. How is science taught at your school? Contact DEX Technology on 0246 310 704 to find out how we can help you to provide 21st century science education. Visit www.thescienceset.com today to see our list of Ghana's best private schools. DEX Technology Limited. Practical science is now.
Technology. Neither Ghana nor Africa can afford to lag behind our nations. These were the words of Osagefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah as he launched the atomic reactor in the 1960s, and these words are even more relevant today. It is in light of this that the schools in the Western region have decided to take up the mandate of living this dream of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah as a son of this land. Some special private schools and public schools alike have decided to set the pace by providing their students with 21st century learning experiences. And also providing a culture and a lifestyle of practical science activities. Journey with me as I take you through how DEX Science Set is ensuring that this dream of the Western region comes true.
We as a school have embraced science education or STEM education, using the science set to do practicals. We have not been long in the use of the science set, but just a term. We realize that using the science set for practicals brings a lot of excitement. The child feels involved and the child learns while doing the practicals. We are of the view that if our parents are able to collaborate with us, or any other school that they are using the science set, if you are able to collaborate and help the school get the science set every term, I think that practicals can be held easily. It doesn't pay to teach science in abstract. Science is like mathematics. We don't read it. We get involved. We involve the learner and we involve the teacher. And you can only be involved if you are using the science set to do practicals. I think that almost every private school and public school will ought to understand that to successfully study science is meaningless unless it is linked up to the use of science sets. And that's why I think that we must embrace this idea.
Has been in existence for the past 22 years.
Wow,
yes,
that's old.
And we began using the science sets about 2 years ago.
Wow.
And it has been great, seriously, because teaching and learning of science without practical it's a waste of time.
What are the best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, Dex Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools. Our award-winning science set is designed to provide every material needed for science experiments while enabling a superior, personalized learning experience for students. How is science taught at your school? Contact Dex Technology on 0246 310 704 to find out how we can help you to provide 21st century science education. Visit www.thescienceset.com today to see our list of Ghana's best private schools. Dex Technology Limited. Practical science is now practical.
Technology. Neither Ghana nor Africa can afford to lag behind our nations. These were the words of Osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah as he launched the atomic reactor in the 1960s. And these words are even more relevant today. It is in light of this that the schools in the Western region have decided to take up the mandate of living this dream of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah as a son of this land. Some special private schools and public schools alike have decided to set the pace by providing their students with 21st century learning experiences. And also providing a culture and a lifestyle of practical science activities. Journey with me as I take you through how Deck Science Set is ensuring that this dream of the Western region comes true.
We as a school have embraced science education or STEM education, using the science set to do practicals. We have not been long in the use of the science set, but just a term. We realize that using the science set for practicals brings a lot of excitement. The child feels involved and the child learns while doing the practicals. We are of the view that if our parents are able to collaborate with us, or any other school that they are using the science set, if you are able to collaborate and have the school, help the school get the science set every term, I think that practicals can be held easily. It doesn't pay to teach science in abstract. Science is like mathematics. We don't read it. We get involved. We involve the learner and we involve the teacher. And you can only be involved if you are using the science set to do practicals. I think that almost every private school and public school will ought to understand that to successfully study science is meaningless unless it is linked up to the use of science sets. And that's why I think that we must embrace this idea.
Has been in existence for the past 22 years.
Wow,
yes,
that's old.
And we began using the science sets about 2 years ago.
Wow.
And it has been great, seriously, because you know, teaching and learning of science without practical is a waste of time.
Technology. Neither Ghana nor Africa can afford to lag behind our nations. These were the words of Osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah as he launched the atomic reactor in the 1960s. And these words are even more relevant today. It is in light of this that the schools in the Western region have decided to take up the mandate of living this dream of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah as a son of this land. Some special private schools and public schools alike have decided to set the pace by providing their students with 21st century learning experiences. And also providing a culture and a lifestyle of practical science activities. Journey with me as I take you through how Deck Science Set is ensuring that this dream of the Western region comes true.
We as a school have embraced science education or STEM education, using the science set to do practicals. We have not been long in the use of the science set, but just a term. We realize that using the science set for practicals brings a lot of excitement. The child feels involved and the child learns while doing the practicals. We are of the view that if our parents are able to collaborate with us, or any other school that they are using the science.
Wow! A warm welcome back to all our contestants, our viewers, and our audience who are supporting their contestants with all their vim. A round of applause to the Technology Challenge round, please. So, we gave all the schools the same task. They were supposed to do some simple electrical circuit connections based on a diagram that they had already been given. They were supposed to perform some tasks and make some observations and write them down. And this is the outcome of the task. So, for question 1, that was task 2, they were supposed to close the switch and observe. The answer is that the LED light turned on, but the light was dim. Then they were supposed to place their finger on the LDR. When they did, the LED was supposed to turn off. If you do that, you get 2 points, and 2 points also for the first one. Then, task 4, they were supposed to replace the LDR with the R. Then, they will turn on the switch, and the LED has to be very bright. They were supposed to explain what an LDR, and that was 3 points. Then, that is the observations that they made. So this is what all the 3 schools did. I will start from Star Holy Kingdom. So question 1, which was supposed to be 6 points in total, that is task 2, 2 points, task 3, 2 points, and task 4, 2 points. Task 2, they got 1 point because they did not talk about the brightness of the LED. Task 3, they got all the 2 points. Task 4, they got 1 point because they did not talk about the brightness of the LED. Then question 2, that was the explanation. They also got 2 points. They could not explain the working function of the LDR. So in total, Star Holy Academy, Kingdom Academy scored 6 out of 10. A round of applause. Then KAF International. Also, question 1, I will not explain it systematically again. They scored all the 6 points for question 1. And they also scored all the 4 points for question 2. Question 2. So in total, KAF had 10 over 10. Go girl power on technology. Then we now go to Crown Prince. Task 2, they got 0. Task 3, 0. Task 4, 1 point. So that was 1 out of 6. Then question 2, they got 2 out of 4. So a total of 3 points. So Crown Prince had 3 over 10. So with this, these are the scores after round 3. So KAF International School, 14 points. Crown Prince Academy, 17 points. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, 19 points. A round of applause, please. Thank you. So with this, we move to the last round of our contest. I have a substitution from Crown Prince Academy. The graft goes out and Joanna steps in. Thank you so much, the graft. Joanna Layi, you are welcome. My dear audience, a round of applause for Joanna to help her settle in. Okay, where Joanna settled. This is a preamble to round 4. This round is the riddles round. The question will be read out as a series of clues. If the question is answered correctly on the first clue, 6 points. If answered correctly on the second clue, 5 points. On the third clue, 4 points. On the fourth and any other indication is 3 points. 1 attempt only. Contestants, you are to press your buzzer before attempting to answer the question. Failure to press the buzzer before answering the question disqualifies the school from that particular question. And since this is a round of buzzers, may we hear the buzzer from Crown Prince Academy. KAF International, please. Star Holy Kingdom Academy. Thank you. Decoding the clues. 1. 1. I am a gas, aloof and rare. I am content to be alone without a care. My outer shell is full. Star Holy Academy.
Helium.
No, please. I am a stable KAF International School.
Carbon.
No. I am a stable element, firmly grounded. I am on the periodic table. I am in 8A or the 18th group. Who am I? Crown Prince.
Argon.
No, please. 18th group. 8A again. Yes, so the answer is noble gas. Decoding the clues too. I am a type of electronic display. I use liquid crystals to display images. Star Holy Academy.
Liquefied crystal display.
Liquefied crystal display for 5 points. 3. You may refer to me as an anchor in the plant family. I spread deep and wide. Roots. Crown Prince.
Roots.
Root it is for 5 points. I am used to support health care, ensuring medical access for many. I am applied to goods and services. I help fund the nation's health needs. In Ghana, I am added to VAT. Crown Prince.
NHIS. NHIS.
National Health Insurance.
National Health Insurance Company.
Okay. Can I continue? My initial spell out a system that promotes well-being through taxes. Who am I? Okay, so Crown Prince, if you had allowed me, I said that I am added to VAT. So it is NHIL. It is the levy, National Health Insurance Levy. So with National Health Insurance Levy, we come to the end of round 4 and the end of the contest. Congratulations to all the schools. We will wait on our score masters to bring out the scores. As we wait, can we make due acknowledgements of our sponsors? KNUS E-Learning Center, thank you so much for providing all the media coverages, both on ground and the traveling team, thank you. To the Institute of Distance Learning, thank you for providing venues for the quiz contest. Desk Technologies, thank you for making practical science practical. To multi-credit savings and loans, thank you so much for providing juicy prizes for this year's competition. Your generous contributions have been a cornerstone for our success. Ghana National Petroleum Corporation, thank you for impacting lives. To SteadyX, thank you for coming on board. To Pizza Man Chicken Man, thank you for the wonderful meal packages. Fonjo Images, thank you for keeping memories alive. To Kesben Media, our biggest media partner, thank you for telecasting live the program, amplifying our reach and our impact. Thank you for partnering us. At Kesben TV, we say, Obia Bedidi, thank you. So we now go to our scoreboard. So the results are in. Thank you so much to all my wonderful contestants. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, KAF International School, Crown Prince International, you have all done very well. At the end of round 4, these are the scores. Crown Prince Academy, 5 points. KAF International School, 0 points. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, 5 points. So with this is how the total score stands. Crown Prince Academy, I'm sorry, please, let me start from KAF International School, 14 points. Crown Prince Academy, 22 points. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, 24 points. And with 24 points, I declare Star Holy Kingdom Academy the winners of this contest. Thank you so much. With this, ladies and gentlemen, teachers and participants and our online viewers, we have come to the end of an exciting and inspiring contest. Today, we witnessed not just a display of knowledge, but also teamwork. We saw determination. We saw passion for learning. That makes events like this special. Please, to all my contestants, you have done an outstanding job. Whether you answered every question or faced challenges, your courage alone to compete, think critically and showcase your skill is truly commendable. Remember that learning is continuous, and this experience you have today will help shape your future endeavor. I want to express my deepest gratitude to all the teachers and the parents and the coaches who have supported and guided the young minds, as well as to the mobile and the grounds team of e-learning. I will always mention my dear friend's name, Oscar, and your team. You have done the yeoman. Yes, I've always given you your 2. Oscar, take your 2, you and your team. And I also want to appreciate Eric and Derek so much. They've also been coordinating wonderfully. A special thank you once again to our sponsors. Finally, congratulations to our winning school, Star Holy Kingdom Academy. And to all other participants, please keep pushing the boundaries of your curiosity and creativity. And today, I hope the quiz has inspired you all to continue exploring the fascinating world of science and mathematics. Thank you all for being part of this wonderful event. Please have a wonderful weekend and have a wonderful Friday evening. Thank God it is Friday. Thank you and bye-bye.